Hello again. To further continue, we will have a brief overview about male OBD connector. The male OBD connector is a plug-in. This is the one which plugs in counterpart to the female OBD port found in the vehicles. Okay, the male connector is found typically on the diagnostic tools, telematic devices, adapter cables, allowing them to interface with vehicles' onboard systems for diagnostics, data retrieval, and communication. All right. So this male connector is always found usually, or not always, usually at the dealership or the technician side. So physical characteristic is shape and pin count. So first important physical character is shape and the pin count. The male OBD connector, as you can see here, it is a 16 pin D-shaped plug designed to mate precisely with the standardized female OBD port in the vehicles. We discussed extensively about the female OBD2 port in the previous sessions. And when it comes to pin layout, pins are arranged in two rows of 8, mirroring the female ports layout. They are totally exactly the mirror image so that they can mate perfectly. Each pin serves a specific function. I'll briefly touch upon the specific function in the next slide, such as power, ground, communication lines for various protocols. Now, coming to the material and durability, most of the male connectors are constructed from robust materials like ABS plastic with nickel-plated terminals for corrosion resistance and reliable electrical contact. Okay, so these are the main raw materials for the male OBD connector. Again, even in the male OBD connector, there are type A and type B. There are two types corresponding to vehicles voltage system. Type A for 12 volt cars and light vehicles, and type B for 24 volt heavy duty vehicles. Okay, exactly like in on the female counterpart. The physical keying ensures correct and safe connections. Again, you have to observe that this D shape is perfectly foolproof. There is a bit of poka-yoke here. You can never insert it upside down. Okay, because if you insert upside down, it will not mate at all. Okay, so you can understand the intelligence that has gone into the design of this male OBD connector. Now let's see the pinout and the functions. Pin 1, it's always the manufacturer specific. Pin 2, SAE J1850 bus. Pin 4, chassis ground. Pin 5, signal ground. Pin 6, CAN high. 7, ISO 9141 K line. 10, SAE J1850 bus minus. 14, CAN low. 15, ISO 9141 L line. 16, battery power, either 12 plus 12 volt or 24 volt, depending upon the passenger car or heavy duty vehicle application. Now let's see the usage of this male OBD connector. Of course, for diagnostic tools, most scan tools and code readers use male OBD connector to access vehicle data, read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, and monitor live sensor data. Okay, so when it comes to diagnostics, this is the application. And when it comes to telematics, fleet management and insurance telematics devices use male connectors to plug into OBD2 port for continuous data collection and transmission. Now coming to the adapter cables used to bridge between OBD2 port and other diagnostic interfaces or custom equipment. So these are the various usages and applications. And they follow, even the male plugin have some standards and compatibility issues. And when it comes to standard, it follows the SAE J1962 compliance. The male connector must conform to SAE J1962 standard, ensuring physical and electrical compatibility with all the compliant vehicles. This sentence is very self-explanatory. Okay, the importance of this compliance is it ensures physical and electrical compatibility. Underline this very sentence very carefully. Now, when it comes to protocol support, the connector supports multiple communication protocols, including CAN, ISO 9141, KWP 2000, and SAE J1850, depending on which pins are populated and connected to diagnostic tools. All right. So to further continue, let's have a small summary table about the male connector. First is pin count is 16, just like female OBD counterpart. Two rows of 8. Shape is D-shaped. Material ABS plastic. Standards SAE 1962. Main uses diagnostic telematics and adapter cables. Protocol scan ISO keyword protocol SAE 1850. And compatibility, it is universal for compliant vehicles and tools, both passenger cars and heavy duty commercial vehicles. Trucks or lorries also, for trucks and lorries also, it's perfectly compatible. Okay, the male OBD connector is standardized robust interface that enables diagnostics and telematic. This design ensures universal compatibility, safety, and reliability data access across a wide range of automotive applications. Okay, so everybody got an overview about the male OBD connector. Thank you.